Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a cool AI trick that's been blowing up recently: mini animals walking around in the palm of your hand. You've probably seen these viral videos like a tiny horse trotting in someone's hand. Pretty amazing, right? Well, in this video, I'll walk you through how to create these yourself, step by step. First up, we need a prompt. You have two options. Either you write a creative prompt directly with ChatGPT, or find similar examples on Leonardo.AI and simply copy their prompt. Next, head over to Freepik.com. They have a section for generating AI images. Paste your prompt here, adjust the settings to your liking, like resolution, colors, and background. Then tweak the animal names in the prompt if you want a different one. The goal is to create several mini animal images to experiment with. Now here's where the magic happens. Take the images you created and upload them to Hailuo.AI. In the prompt field, just type "move animal," then hit the generate button. With a Hailuo.AI subscription, you'll get access to more tools and unlimited generations, making it super easy to create loads of fun videos. So, if you're serious about making more of these mini animal reels, it's worth checking out. And that's it. Now you know how to create those adorable mini animal videos you've been seeing all over Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI hacks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating!